Hello guys, welcome to Semtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show guys how to register CryptoNest account and verify it successfully. So without wasting my time, let's go to our browser. Okay, so to register an account, you either need a referral link or you can just go straight forward to your browser and search for the CryptoNest.trade. Okay, so if you don't have a referral link, you can just search for CryptoNest.trade. Okay, you can search for this CryptoNest.trade and then click on go. Okay, so this is the homepage of the platform. Okay, this is an investment platform where you can make a lot of money. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can register the account successfully. Okay, so what you have to do now is to click on this register. Okay, you can see the investment plan here, you can see register button over here. Okay, so you need to click on this register button to register an account. Okay, so this is the registration page. Okay, so we need to enter our first name, our last name, our email address, our password, then we agree with their terms and conditions and their policy. Okay, so first let me enter my name. Then when you get to here, you need to enter your valid email address because you receive a code, an OTP code to verify your email. Okay, so I'll just enter my email, make money with Sam. Then I'll enter my password. Okay, so let me enter my password. Okay, so when I'm done entering my password, I'll just click on this agree with their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and after that I'll click on this register button to register. Okay, so it will take me to the next stage, which is to set the user data. So this is mandatory. Okay, I need to enter a username I will use. Okay, so the username is what you will use to log in. You won't use the email address to log in. You use your username and your password to log in. So make sure you set a username over here. Okay, so I'll just set username as money maker. Then I'll choose my country, which is Ghana. Then I'll enter my phone number. After that, I'll enter my address. You can either enter any address here. Then I'll enter the city. Okay, so when I'm done with all this is very mandatory. As I said, you need to make sure you enter or you set a username, because you use the username to log in. You won't use your email address, you use the username. Okay, so when I'm done, I will just click on this submit and create my account. Okay, you can see a verification code has been sent to my email address, so I'll just go to my email to copy the code. Okay, so you can see please verify your email address. Okay, so I'll just copy this code, then come back to my browser and paste in the code over here, and automatically this will verify my account. This will verify the email. Okay, so now my email has been verified, and you can see this is my dashboard. So we have successfully created an account. Okay, we have successfully created an account with CryptoNest.trade. Okay, so what you have to do now is to do our KYC verification. So we need to click here to submit our document. Okay, so please submit the required KYC information to verify yourself. Otherwise, you can't make a withdrawal request to the system. Okay, so if you want to make withdrawal as time goes on, then you need to verify your KYC. So we are doing it right now. Okay, I'll just click on here to submit my document. Okay, so this is the KYC form we need to fill. So first we need to enter our full name as on the ID we will provide. Okay, then our email address, our phone number, we choose our gender, our date of birth, our government issued ID, whether national ID, passport or driving license. Then the ID number, we upload front and back of our ID, whether Ghana card or any government document. Okay, so when you are done uploading the front and back, we will take this. Okay, we will take this and click on submit. Okay, so when we are done submitting, the KYC will be on pending. So when we are done entering our details over here, we will click on this submit to submit the KYC forms. Okay, so you can see our KYC data has been submitted successfully and it's pending currently. So we can click here to see what we entered. Okay, so this is our details we just entered and we are waiting for confirmation. Okay, so let's wait for a little minutes, like 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, for it to verify it successfully. So our KYC has been verified successfully, and this is how you can register an account with CRYPTONEST and also do your KYC successfully. Okay, so if this video helped you to register accounts and verify your account successfully, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.